Alright, so now that we have our current condition or post-developed watershed, and we've got a runoff hydrograph for the watershed in this current condition, I created another data set for the pre-developed land cover, and I'm not going to show you how I did that because you can use the video on how I created this post-developed land cover data set and the historic maps to in the table from TR55 to estimate the land cover and percent impervious and CN based on the soils data and the historic imagery. So what I'd like to do now is show you how to create a scenario. And a scenario basically is a model, is a duplicate of a model, and then you can change something, parameters, assumptions, what have you. So you click on this plan, you go to add, and you click duplicate model. You don't need to include the output results, and click create. And so now in here we have another plan. So we can switch to that plan. We'll save our current one. And what I'll do here is use the area weighting tool for the subcatchment. Data source layer will be the land cover pre. Destination layer will be the subcatchments. Next. That pulls up this tool here again, and we're going to set the impervious and the curve number. And calculate it. See our old and new values. Keep in mind yours might be different, a lot different, much different area. And now it has set those values here. You can see our percent impervious is 0, and our CN number has been changed. So now what we can do is run this model. Now that that is run, we can go to the graph and look at the runoff for this pre-developed condition. And now with the scenarios button up here, we can actually compare the two scenarios, and we can see the pre-developed hydrograph and the post-developed hydrograph, and we can see the difference. And the summary data is down here as well. So this is how to do scenario comparisons.